In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your system on Windows 10. This is a handy tool that can help you return your computer to a previous state in case something goes wrong, like installing a buggy update or an incompatible program. Let's walk through this process together so that you can do it confidently and with ease. First, we're going to start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring up the Start menu, where you can access a wide range of features and tools. It's the key with the Windows logo, and you should see it in the bottom row of your keyboard. Next, you'll want to type recovery into the search bar that appears when you press the Windows key. This step is crucial, as it directs us to the system settings related to recovery options. Typing recovery will take you directly to where we need to go, saving you time and effort. Once the search results populate, go ahead and click on recovery from the list. This action will open up a window with various recovery tools. Make sure you click on the recovery setting that has a gear icon next to it. This ensures you're entering the settings area. When you're in the recovery settings menu, you'll see a link that says Open System Restore. Click on this link. It's your gateway to accessing the System Restore functionality, which is the heart of today's tutorial. After you've clicked on Open System Restore, a new window will pop up. From here, simply click on Next to proceed. This step takes you further into the process where you can see and select your restore points. At this stage, you'll be asked to choose a restore point. Restore points are snapshots of your system settings at a particular time. Choose an appropriate restore point where you know your system was functioning well. If you're not sure, you might want to look for a restore point from a time when you were not having any issues with your system. Once you've selected your desired restore point, click on Next again. This confirms your choice and moves you forward in the process. It's like saying, yes, I'm sure I want to go back to this point in time. Finally, you'll arrive at a screen where you'll click on Finish. This step will initiate the restoration process. Keep in mind, this process might take a little while, and your computer will restart multiple times throughout. It's essential not to interrupt the process. Just sit back, relax, and wait for your system to be restored to its former, better working condition. And there you have it, a full restoration of your Windows 10 system in just a few uncomplicated steps. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has helped you.